Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the key and the exact Roman 3 degree in your scale so you know what to change. Once done, decide whether the Roman 3 sits in natural minor or is altered by harmonic or melodic variants, because that changes which notes you will reset. Make sure your instrument or DAW is tuned and visible, then target the Roman 3 notes directly. This first action sets the reference for all following adjustments, so work quickly but precisely. You then isolate the Roman 3 chord and listen for which tones feel off. If an accidental makes it less minor, lower or raise that specific pitch to restore the minor third and fifth as needed. This is why you identified the exact variant earlier. Revoice the chord across your instrument or DAW. Redistribute notes to keep the bass anchored and the melody clear. Once the voicing sits right, compare it against the tonic to ensure harmonic compatibility before finalizing the change. Finish by committing the corrected Roman 3. Save the patch, record the take, or set the voicing in your arrangement so it remains consistent. Play the full progression and listen for a clean resolution to the tonic. If the Roman 3 still feels wrong, double-check tuning and octave placement, because small pitch offset can create perceived dissonance. Also inspect leading tones or borrowed chords that might reintroduce altered notes. Correcting those usually resolves the remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.